as you can see, I did some production on some Christmas ornaments. I made them for my sister's event she has next weekend at the Tucson Museum of Art. My sister has a soap booth that she will be displaying her products, but she asked me to help decorate it a little seasonally. So we decided some Christmas ornaments would be fun. So I went ahead and I did some acrylic pouring on these plastic ornaments I got at Michael's Arts and Crafts. But I didn't plan very well because I usually seal them with Rust-oleum Crystal Clear Enamel. It's super easy and fast, but my bottle is more than half empty. So that got me thinking, what else in my studio do I have that I can varnish these with? So I found some varnishes. I found Liquitex High Gloss Varnish, and then I found this Liquitex Gloss Medium Varnish. And then I have my big old tub of Mod Podge and some TriArt Liquid Glass resin finish. So I thought it would be fun to do a little experiment to varnish these with these and see the different results, because I have searched YouTube and I can't find any varnishing videos that are giving me any information. So I just thought I'd make my own video. These I've already done with Rust-oleum. So these I've got varnished. And what I'll go ahead and do is I'll go ahead and varnish the rest of these, and I'll fast forward the video, and then we'll come back and see the results. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. And if you happen to know of any good videos that cover varnishing with acrylic paints, drop it in the comment box also. I would love to go take a look. So let's get started. Welcome back. It's been an hour and I thought I'd give you a close-up of all these. This is the row I did with the Rust-oleum Crystal Clear Enamel, and I thought this did a fantastic job. It is my favorite way by far. The only thing I did notice is I only did one coat, and if you can see, I missed. So it definitely requires a couple coats, mainly because these things are round and they spin. But overall, they're very shiny and glossy and practically perfect. This row is the row I did with the Liquitex High Gloss Varnish. And you can see they're shiny and glossy, but you do see the brush strokes. Now this row was the Gloss Medium Varnish. Same thing, these are all dry to the touch. I just don't want to pick them up yet because I just like to be overcautious and they need to sit a little while. But all the brush strokes can be seen on these. It's not a bad thing. It's probably more of a thing that bugs me more than anything. This row is the Mod Podge, and I expected brush strokes from Mod Podge because that's just notorious. And sure enough, just as I thought, lots of brush strokes, but it is a high gloss varnish, which is nice. There you go. Now this row is what I used, the TriArt Liquid Glass. It's still drying and it's supposed to be self-leveling, but I see the brush strokes. And I have a feeling in the morning we'll see the brush strokes. So with my little experiment here, by far my favorite way is Crystal Clear Enamel. These other varnishes are okay. It's just there's brush strokes. I could have put them in a little baggie and let the varnish coat them, then let them out. But I think overall I'm gonna stick with the spray. So let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite way to varnish? Please put in the comments your preferred ways, and if you know of any other videos, and then we'll learn more together. So I hope this has helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.